Pepe holders, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about a Pepe Coin forecast, especially after this last few days that we have been struggling with these tariffs and liquidation event that has crashed the cryptocurrency world. But now we have since rebounded lookingly another day into the green. I want to share with you guys my thoughts. Fortunately enough for me, I've had the flu for the last 4 or 5 days, so I've been laid up. I slept through the majority of this crash, so I didn't have the ability to panic sell, okay? But a lot of people out there did. One of the largest liquidations events that we've seen affecting meme coins and other alts more so than you could ever imagine. Bitcoin dipped to 94,000. Look at some of the charts. It really will blow your mind what was able to be done in one day, especially with the XRP. That went down as low as below levels I don't even want to talk about. Some of the cryptos we do talk about every single day on the channel just completely got wrecked in one day. Now, this is kind of where it comes down into the mindset, and I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but smart money was buying crypto on the dip. All right, we've seen these liquidation events. We've seen this happen from time to time. Russia, Ukraine. If you do have the capital, usually you can get a very good flash crash sale price on a lot of your favorite digital assets. And Pepe was one of those ones that was in the balance. Now, in this video, not only are we going to look at the Pepe price forecast, I'm also going to share with you guys kind of the underlying message on why I'm still bullish about Pepe, okay? So let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's talk some crypto, okay? First and foremost, we are going to dive into the crypto bubbles, and you can see right now we have rebounded very nicely. Kind of interesting enough, the only crypto that has been down the last 2 days that we have been rebounding into the green has been the Trump token, still trading below $20 on the charts. This is one where it has to make you wonder, does he have one last push? At one point, guys, this was a top 15 cryptocurrency, but we're not here to talk about Trump, unfortunately, his token, but we will probably have to mention his name in terms of being the president once or twice in this video. But as we look at Pepe, up 7.7% on the day, this is one where now you can find at the 401040 level, okay? Absolutely got wrecked, losing 50% in value just over the last 30 days. Trading now in the top 30, down 7 spots in market cap in just a 1 month time span. Now, as we go macro with it, let's pull up the full screen here, and I want to share with you guys kind of where I'm at as we look into my trading indicator as well as other things. So essentially this is kind of a approach that we're going to have to take, right? We saw this huge dip, this huge sell-off. And even at these levels right here, guys, and we are on the 1 hour candles because this is how I was trading. We'll go into the daily, and then I can show you guys more so what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is what it all comes down to. When we got up to all-time local highs at that 402778 mark, okay, this is kind of where traders had this kind of question mark remaining, is what would Pepe do from here? Because they were kind of outperforming the rest of the market, okay? Now, this is not financial advice, just my viewpoints as a crypto trader. And then since then, guys, these are gains that we've had since November of 2024, where we have since dipped below the floor, and this is kind of where we've given it all back. So if you are bullish on Pepe, there is an avenue where we do go back to that 403 level. That's going to be the target. Right, that's going to be the target for us as traders. But as it stands right here today, guys, we are just 30% away from relatively all-time highs. That's what it comes down to. If you do believe in Pepe, great. If you don't, then, yeah, this is probably the time where you may never see Pepe do well again. I haven't sold any of my Pepe, just full disclosure. I'm in it for what I have into the game. I'm in it for the long haul. It's one of my picks in terms of meme coins that have extreme success. I'm going to share with you guys why at the end of this video. But this is kind of where we look into kind of what's happened. $20 million in leverage trades have been absolutely wrecked. This is where you look at Pepe now trading around that 401 mark. And as the on-chain data shows more signs of weaknesses, a lot of the indicators are showing negative numbers, and traders are, like I said, guys, they're getting wrecked. The FUD fear percentages are up on the rise, and liquidations continue to amount. Now, why am I telling you guys this? Okay, well, when we look at kind of the one metric that I do kind of put some interest into is the data provider sentiment. All right, I use them all the time, and one number there, right, that is the network realized profit loss indicator. All right, is showing that the return on investment, okay, is when you do have holders that are selling their bags technically at a profit, all right, significant profit if that. Now, if you have a dip into this metric, that's kind of where you're realizing losses, panic selling, and having a lot of capitulation around along the way. Now, that's where we saw Pepe sharply dip, right, from negative 1.32 million to negative 48.36 million from Saturday, Monday, a huge negative downtick. So that's indicating that people are realizing losses, and we had increasingly amount of selling pressure, okay? Now, this is something where we did talk about it, right? People were already in the midst of betting on Pepe to have a comeback, have a crash, a correction, if you will. We were running extremely hot, and this is the thing where it looks to be proven to be natural, okay? And you're going to tell me, hey, Mark, how is this natural, right? 40% in just 1 week, I'm wrecked. Well, truth be put, there's a lot of traders that are buying at these levels, okay? Right now, we're at that level where if you like them at 3 or 402, 4027, even at all-time highs, then there's really no reason right now at 401 why you can't see an advantage to having Pepe in your holdings. Okay, I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, not financial advice. I will just tell you that sometimes these short-term macro opportunities present exactly what they stand for. Opportunities. Okay, so the tariff wars are going to be flashed here and there. It's Trump. He's volatile. He's going to be showing his hand. He's going to be making outwardly threats. Digital assets, crypto volatile assets, they're going to be taking it off the chin. Okay, and if you are a smart trader, which this is what the market is right now, they are going to be scooping up the dips because we are running in a time where there was nothing really in the way of crypto. All systems go. Now we have the crypto czar speaking today, I think at 4 o'clock Eastern, David Sachs. It's going to be something very interesting to see what comments he gives. My bet is it's bullish. And if you saw what happened with Trump token, you see the manipulation that went down. You saw how much Trump's wallets are actually selling. There's rumors that he made almost $1 billion off of that sale himself. And he should. It's his name, image, and likeness. He has every right to do so, personally. As long as it's disclosed in a proper manner and, people are allowed to buy and sell as equals, then sure. I don't see any problem with that. But that's not the conversation here. The conversation here is what David Sachs says today. That's what you have to keep your eye out for. And who is buying right now at times of a low point, okay? Because right now at these levels, guys, if we are going to bounce back, there's going to be a lot of traders that win, and those liquidations will all come full circle. People will make that back. Big-time investment institutional traders will make those lost liquidations back like this, okay? That's the beauty of crypto and the evil at the same time. All right, so with that, I'll leave you guys with that, but I wanted to share with you guys one more thing as we keep it Trump. Now, Eric Trump has said, you can thank me later, saying that basically, I think this is a great time to add Ethereum. You can thank me later. Now, this is the Ethereum chart, which you could have bought below $2,000. Now, food for thought, Trump's bags, World Liberty Financial, everything else, they were buying Ethereum at the high point. They were buying it above 3,400. Big amounts of Ethereum, okay? Stockpiling, if you will. So, call it insider trading, call it what you want. It's crypto. It's something there that you have to connect the dots on this one. For some reason, Trump's family wants to buy ETH. Not the flashy choice, not the choice everybody's looking to, but they want you to buy ETH. Now, whatever that means, fine. But if they're saying this and you do want Pepe to do well, this is a bullish statement for Pepe. We all know how Pepe is closely linked to ERC20, and that's kind of where we look for it to have its success. So if the Trump's family is buying millions and millions of Ethereum, this is only going to be bullish for Pepe as we look to move forward into 2025. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about this? Do you think Ethereum is a good bet? Do you think Pepe still is a good bet? I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say. Appreciate you guys kind of making it through this video with me. I know my voice isn't back to what it used to be. We're still getting there. We're on the Tamiflu. We're getting through this virus. Hopefully you guys are not getting sick as well. It ravaged the household as well. But fun week ahead. I'll leave it with that. And good luck trading out there. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Appreciate you guys all being part of the channel. If you haven't done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.